Hey everyone, it's Laura Breneman here, coming to you live this evening to talk about 5 ways to attract people to your personal profile. If you're catching me live, put a number 1 in the comments. If you're catching me on replay, put a number 2. All right, let's get started. So you are wanting people to be attracted to your profile. Let's clean it up these ways. So number 1, you're going to want your profile picture to be of you. This is going to allow people to know that it is you. They're going to make a connection to you. And so this is what you're not going to want. You're not going to want your logo on your profile picture. You're not going to want your business name on your profile picture. And people aren't going to connect with your favorite flower. They're going to connect with you. They want to see you, not you with your children, but just you on your profile. All right, number 2, have a business-free and product-free cover photo. Now this is where you can have your family in and have landscape things that bring you delight, but you're going to want to stay free of puking your product and your business name on your cover photo. All right, number 3, you are going to want to edit your bio. There is a place that you can edit your bio. You can just put a few words in there. There's a limit to how many characters you can put in there. Make it short and sweet. Use emojis. Have fun with it. Let people know who you are, what your hobbies are, what you like to do. And so that's your bio. Okay, under your bio, Facebook allows you to have 9 featured photos. Many people don't know about this, and so this is where you want to pick your best pictures. These are your 9 pictures that are going to tell a story about you and your life. And so this is where you can have your family, yourself, landscape, different things, your favorite flower then, so people will know a little bit more about you. Now these 9 photos, they are seen, like if you're on your desktop, you will see them to the left. If you're on a mobile device, you're going to see them under your bio. So you want to edit those 9 featured photos. Number 5, this is the last one. Post content that makes someone else's day. People want to be entertained, they want to be educated, and they want to be encouraged and empowered. They want to be inspired. And so when you're thinking of your content, ask yourself if it's going to do those things. Is this going to make someone's day? People love to interact with posts, and so be sure to include those as well. So I hope you found value in this. Again, if you're catching me live, put a number 1. And if you're catching me on replay, put a number 2. I'm going to quick go over these 5 things again to attract people to your Facebook profile, and they are: put a picture of yourself in your profile pic, have a business-free and product-free cover photo as well, edit your bio, add some emojis, have fun with that. And number 4, edit your 9 photos, featured photos that you have. And number 5, post content that's going to make someone's day. All right, I hope you all are having a good evening. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.